This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jill Thomas. Welcome to 3220 Avenue East in the quiet Wallingford community, a well-kept neighborhood known for its low HOA fees and great curb appeal. This move-in ready home features a functional split floor plan with vaulted ceilings, plenty of natural light, and easy-to-maintain flooring with no carpet throughout. You'll have peace of mind with a roof and HVAC both replaced in 2022, plus practical additions like a reverse osmosis system in the kitchen, interior laundry room, and a garage featuring built-in cabinets for extra storage and a portable generator connection. The primary suite is a true standout, offering 2 walk-in closets and a spacious bathroom with dual sinks, a garden tub, and a separate shower. The screen lanai includes a convenient half bath that is perfectly positioned to serve as a pool bath if you choose to add one in the future. Outside, the meticulously maintained yard uses reclaimed water for irrigation and looks out over a peaceful pond with a preserved backdrop. This location is hard to beat, offering a direct drive to Bradenton Beach and quick access to University Town Center and the Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport. The Bradenton home will not disappoint. For more information, review the details below.